guys.
We got the
70% off at
the Lindt shop.
in the mall. It was 70% off, and we got it for 130 rand.
And it was 400 and something. Okay, right. So let's get to unboxing the chocolate. Oh, yeah. It's not gonna work with that. Lucky I made marking.
Okay. Guys, it's hard, right?
Yeah, don't underestimate us. We don't weak anymore.
Yeah. Try to go for the runs and I just got a little bit childish.
After a lot of technical difficulties, we got the box open, and now let's tear the plastic.
Oh, it's broken.
Not broken. No, at the backyard is that.
Okay,
Yay, guys!
We done.
Yes. Right. So we're going to open celebrations.
The first day.
So we're going to open the first day today.
First day, right?
And we missed out on 18 days.
You told that to do it. I got.
Ooh, there's nice black pigeon. Or cat pigeon.
Woo!
You got the mini
teddy bear. We got the mini teddy bear.
Nice, guys.
Nice.
I also got the mini teddy bear.
We got the mini teddy bear.
Mini teddy bear. Mini teddy bear.
Guys, so we're going on now.
Today,
Today two. Ooh, it's looking like
Another
a small
packaging.
one.
Ooh, 2 Lindt balls.
Two Lindt balls. Ooh.
Yeah. Guys, my one don't wanna come out.
Check this,
But
guys.
wait, let me see in the back which chocolate it is.
Check this, guys.
The chocolate
Yo,
that
yo,
we
yo.
got is the Lindt mini nut cream balls.
Guys, so we're going on to day 3.
I cannot find it. Oh, thanks.
Welcome.
So day 3, guys.
Day 3. Oh, another boxy.
Ooh, another teddy bear.
And this one has new clothes. Oh, it has clothes. Wow.
Guys, this is the mini teddy bear. It has nice cute clothes.
Give my chocolate.
Mom, I must leave the chocolate.
Hey, Mom. Okay. Guys, we're going on to day 4. Wait, where's day 4? We need to find it.
We have to find it.
Day 4.
Yes, day 4. But it's squirrel.
Day 4. It's looking like a nice one.
Yeah, guys, it's gonna be a big one.
Oh, it's 2 Lindt chocolate balls again. It's
Wow,
2 white
guys.
Lindt balls. I check. Guys, look at this stuff.
Mine is the Lindt snowballs. Look, I got the same one as Cruz. The thing is, let's see.
Guys,
It is the milk chocolate snowdrops with white filling.
guys, we're gonna go on to day 5.
Day 5.
Day 5 is coming on.
And we got
Lindt
another creme nuts.
But it's gonna taste nice.
It is. We got the same one, the creme nut one.
Mom, give all my chocolate. Empty.
Now day
6. I'm looking for day 6.
There's day 6. It's a giant one, guys.
Wow, it's a
Gigantic one. Looks like it's the Santa. Yes, it is.
We got the Santa Claus.
Santa Claus. He's coming to give us gifts today because we got him.
Santa Claus, guys, look at this. Look at this.
Now, it's number 7.
Day 7. It's looking like 2 Lindt balls.
Yeah.
It's looking like 2 Lindt balls.
Oh, it's the teddy bear.
With new clothes.
Yes, it's a new one. Guys, it's got the green cute
Madala.
clothes. What Madala?
Mom, you lost my chocolate. I want everything over here.